Hello guys. Today I'm going to explain how to execute the TypeScript in browser by using Visual Studio Code. Okay, how to we are going to execute the TypeScript code in the Visual Studio Code. So before the first of all I have to create the one folder. So if you wanted to open that project in the VS Code, we need to one physical folder, right? So I have to create the I have to create the folder. So for that I'm creating one folder. Let's say that is the TS demos. Uh, once I have created the folder here, I need to open this folder by using the VS Code. So before when we are going to working with the TypeScript files, how to execute the TypeScript files in the browser, we have to install the three softwares in our local machine. One is the VS Code, second one is the npm, and third is the Node.js. So these three things are important. So first of all, I have to open this folder through my VS Code. So how we are going to do that? Here I am using the command prompt. So through command prompt I have to open that. So for this reason, um, um, cd ts demos. Now I am in the my ts demos folder. So after that I have to execute the code space dot. So once we are going to click this one, once we are entering this one, then we can open the VS Code. So already I opened. So now it is opening. So I can see that folder in the VS Code. Okay, this TS demos is the folder. The first step is completed. Open the folder through VS Code. Second step is need to create the tsconfig.json file. Okay, so for that I have to create the tsconfig.json file. So tsconfig.json file, uh, which is nothing but the TypeScript configuration file. So I have to write some logic in the this configuration. So before that, so once I am going to add it, once I have added this JSON file, I need to add some logic. So before executing this logic in my local machine in VS Code, I have to install a TypeScript software. So for that, I need to create the TypeScript software in VS Code. So how we are going to install the TypeScript software? So through it, we can install the TypeScript software through npm. So we can see that npm in the new terminal window. This is nothing but like a command prompt. Okay, so here npm install TypeScript. Once you are going to click on that, you can get the TypeScript related if TypeScript related plugins, all the things going to be installed. It will take a few seconds only. So once it is completed successfully, after that I need to write some logic in the JSON file. Okay, so for that, so this is the some kind of code. Target is ACX, model is common yes, and source map is true. Okay. If you wanted to compile and save, you can compile and save. Which is automatically easily compile. Once you are going to saving our vision. Okay. So first step is tsconfig.json file I have added. After that, I have installed the TypeScript file. Okay. So now I'm going to add the one any .ts file, not js file, ts file. So .ts file. Okay. I didn't write the any logic. So in the ts file, I'm just writing the one sample function. here I have created the one sample function, just helper. Okay, after that, I need to create the one .index.html, which is useful for opening this HTML file into the browser. So here, now it's okay. So here I have to give the reference this .ts file into the browser. So here directly I can't run the .ts file into the browser. Okay, I have to give the reference of JS file of this demo into the browser. So for that, you need to run the build task. So Control Shift B, which is useful for to watch the watch the task, in the sense it is automatically going to be create the .js file and map files for this one. Okay, I have just ts watch.config file is there. So once you are going to clicking on that, see what will happen. If you see here demo.ts file, it will automatically convert into the .js file and .map file. So you can see here, right? So once, so again I'm going to create the one .ts file just for practical purposes. Demo one.ts file. And once I'm going to clear that, so it is automatically going to be for .ts file and two files are going to be washed by the disk task. So here, okay, demo.ts file is whatever is code I am having on that. So it's the same code, it's going to be available in the .ts file. So I have to give the reference of this.ts file into the index.html. So so we should give the JS files only. We should not give the TS files to the browser because it won't be understand. Not JS. Okay, now it's completed successfully. Sorry. Okay, now it is completed successfully. So once we have once all the my files are ready, we have to do the save all, Control KS. Okay, now I have to execute this index.html into browser. So here I have already installed the one live server. This is not the local host. I have created my local server, local live server. So I wanted to open that index.html into my local live server. So for that, I have installed the live server through extension. So the extension here you can see, right, live server. So here from here you can already have installed. So I can easily open that this index.html into live server. So once I'm going to open that index.live server, what will happen? It is automatically load the demo.js file. See, here, developer tools. See, you can see the demo.js file and demo.js file. Okay. If you want to cross check how to is it executed or not, we can put the one breakpoint here and refresh. So it is executing through demo.js file. Okay. So one more thing is here my Visual Studio Code. I can see the .js file, .map files, all the files are nearly 6 files are. I think nearly 6 files are here. So here there is no use of demo.js file and map files. So I don't want to see that one. So how we are going to stop that? How we are going to hide those JS and map files? So we can do by using the settings.json file. So how we are going to do that? We are going to preferences and settings. So here user is right under the user here opens the settings.json file. So open that. So automatically it is coming here. Okay. So here otherwise you can do one thing. Do space. You can do through by using the by using the workspace or user anywhere. You can do that. But as per now, I am doing by using the workspace only because of you people for easy understanding purpose. So here I need to exclude these JS and JS map files from this VS Code. So for that, I have to write some small code. Um, I don't want to, if you wanted to hide the git and the dstore related files also, you can do that. So these three files, these two lines are important: JS and JS map file. So once I'm going to saving on that, say here demo dot all the files going to be hidden. I didn't save on that, so once I'm going to save that, save all, see, automatically it's gone, right? So right now I can see demo dot specify. Okay, but you can see that there is you cannot get the you won't get the any error on the index.html. Just we are just hiding that files only, those files only, JS and JSMAX files. But even still you can see that still you can see the code. See, okay, you can see the hello here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.